In a previous tutorial, we used group channel tracks to route the outputs from several channels into one channel. For example, we took all of the 11 drum tracks that we have right here, and we routed them into a drum group. So that drum group channel track is located all the way to the right of the mixer. So you can see that we have the drums group channel right here, and then we have the bass group channel, guitars, keyboards, and vocals. Now, one of the biggest advantages to using group channel tracks is now you have control of all of those different components inside of 5 faders. So it makes it easy to adjust the volume level of any of those tracks simply by moving the group channel fader. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to start this project from the very beginning, and it's going to be obvious that some things are just too loud. See how loud those guitars are? So the first thing that we'd want to do is adjust the volume level of all of the guitars. So I'm going to click and drag that guitar fader down quite a bit. And now the keyboards are a little overbearing too, so I'm going to adjust the keyboards down a bit. Now you'll also notice that the vocals, since they're much quieter, are just not loud enough. So we could turn the channel fader of that group up, but it's actually better to turn the other groups down. So I'm going to use that quick link method that I showed you earlier by selecting this group channel fader and then holding the shift key and clicking this first channel group, which is the drums. So now they're all highlighted, and I'm going to hold down shift and alt or option on my computer keyboard and then turn all of them down. Till things start to sound a little bit more balanced. And now that I've got so many of those faders turned down, I'm going to need to turn up the master fader. And then in just a moment here, we're going to hear the vocals come back in, so here they come.
Do we sing or do we swim? Our listing ship is looking grim. Take my hand and you will see. Would you rather drown?
And we still need to turn them down just a little bit more here.
You say, oh, it's all about how you feel. You say bend and I say bold. The taster ain't from every.
Now the drums are starting to sound a little bit quiet.
You shoot me down, down, down. Like before we're stuck here on the ground.
And the guitars sound a little bit quiet now too. So using those group channel faders makes it really easy to adjust the output level of a series of tracks instead of having to go to those tracks' channels and turn them up or down one by one. Because again, if we needed to do that with the drums, we'd have to move 11 different faders. That's not much fun. So those group channel faders make it really easy to adjust the output level of a series of tracks all at once. Now in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to make event-based volume changes.